tutorials, and in this Android tutorial I am going to explain you how to add exit confirmation dialog. So for exit confirmation dialog we are going to come in our backpress method, and as you know we had implemented the drawer layout checking. So if our drawer is open, then we are just typing to be closed, and then in our else method we was simply giving super dot on back pressed method. But now we are going to set a confirmation dialog. So first of all we have to click on else method, and then in that else method we are going to create one alert dialog. So here we are creating alert dialog dot builder, and then in our alert dialog builder we have to pass new alert dialog builder, and then pass the context this, and then set its title to be are you sure you want to exit. Means here we are going to ask the question, and this is a good chance to ask for ratings. So I had also implemented the raters code in our exit confirmation dialog. So first of all we are going to set its message, that is thank you for using our app, or rate us, or share your experience for better app improvement. Then set its cancelable to be false. So by this way when user click anywhere else instead of our layout, then we are not going to dismiss our dialog, but instead we are going to uh, force our user to click any of these three buttons, that is set positive, negative or neutral button. So let us now implement the positive button, negative button and neutral button in our exit confirmation. So to implement it in our application we are going to create a new, and then pass the first parameter as a yes, and then type new dialog interface dot click listener, and then make it on back press method with our dashboard. After we are going to set negative button, and then type the first parameter, the text that you want to be shown in our text, and then we have to click on new dialog interface dot on click listener, and then here we are going to dismiss our dialog, and then in our neutral button we are going to ask for user to rate us. So we are asking for rating. So here is our default uh, url for our application, and embed with our package name. So you can write get application context dot get package name. So here is our uri, and then type intent dot rate intent is equal to action view, and then second parameter will be URI, and here we started our application, started our intent. Then in our alert dialog we are going to builder dot create, means here our exit confirmation will be created, and then we are going to show our exit confirmation dialog. And now this tutorial is short, so I am going to also show you how to implement the network connectivity. So here we are going to first come to our main point, or sorry, in our on create method. So first let's close all other things. So here we are going to first close this set slider view, on create option, on share, on rate, and then on navigation view, on back press method. And after that we are not going to close this method that I am going to explain you now. And also there was a bug in our navigation drawer, so we have to implement this on options item selected, and in that we have to pass if toggle dot on option item selected, then we have to pass the item and then return true, else return super dot on options item selected with item. So by this way when we click on that three lines of code, then we are going to show the navigation drawer. So this was the bug that we had fixed in this exit confirmation tutorial, or checking internet connectivity tutorial. So first we are going to check that if our user is connected, if our user is not connected with internet or a mobile network, then we are going to show our custom dialog. So by this we are going to stop our application if the user is not linked with our if our user is not linked with our network. So we are going to show one dialog and then redirect that user to be to the settings. So first of all we have to check that is the connected is not connected, then we have to pass the context this and show custom dialog. So after that we have to implement that both custom method. So you can see that it will generate an error, so you have to implement that. And now in our is connected method, that will return type will be boolean. So here we are passing the boolean. So connectivity manager is equal to connectivity manager and then pass this context. So here is dashboard activity and then get system service of the connectivity service. After that we are going to implement navigation info and Wi-Fi connection. So first line we will find the Wi-Fi connection. So first is connectivity manager dot get network info if type is Wi-Fi, and then with the same code we are going to change this variable and set it to be mobile connection and then type mobile. After we are going to check Wi-Fi connectivity is not equal to null and Wi-Fi is connected, then or we have to find mobile connectivity is not equal to null and mobile is connected, then we are going to return true. So if our this is not true, so you can see that if it is not true, then we are going to show this custom dialog. So this custom dialog will be here. So here we are creating alert confirmation dialog, and here we have to write alert dialog builder dot builder, then new alert dialog builder, and then pass the context as a this, or you can write dashboard activity dot this. Here only this will not work because it is in custom method, it is not in on create method. So to check our internet connectivity we are going to set the title of our builder to be internet connectivity connection error, and then set message as it seems your internet connection is not on, so turn on and restart our application. So after that we have to add this attribute compulsory, that is set cancelable to be false. So we by this way when user click anything anywhere else instead of this dialog, then we are going to don't dismiss our dialog. After we have to set it to be positive button and that is turn on only, and then add on dialog interface click listener. After we have to start new intent or activity. So start activity, then pass new of intent, settings, action, Wi-Fi settings, and then create this or show this dialog of the checking internet connectivity. So by this way we had completed complete codes app in Android Studio. So if you enjoyed our codes app series, then please make sure you like and share these Android tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And you will not get this source code because this application is incomplete. As I complete my application I will provide you the source code. So first, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.